Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello friends, Twitter GPRO X CHK daily weekly time frame. Twitter's still extremely tight, very clear resistances 1705 and 1707. Inside bar on the daily time frame today. Bulls have to break 1704 tomorrow to try and see some upside. We have very tight, clear resistance here. And if we see a bear break of 1680, we're looking down at 1651. So the moving average resistances are right here, the 200-day. The upper Bollinger Band is ascending now to create some room. The weekly time frame is trying to confirm the bullish reversal candlestick, but if we can't break 1607, make that 1707, we're going to just see an inside bar on the weekly time frame. So have to break that level by the end of this week to have the bulls with some momentum in their favor heading into next week. Otherwise, we have a tight range with indecision heading into next week. So GPRO on the daily time frame also extremely tight the past 2 days, not really giving much information. Key support is down at 905 and 906. Resistance is 919 and 924 for the bulls to try and see a bull break. So that is the tight range to be watching. If we see a bull break, we're looking at 944, and a bear break, we're looking at 890. Those are the broader ranges that we're watching. And we're not really getting much information with the last 2 trading days. And it's going to very likely be an inside bar on the weekly time frame heading into next week. So we'll be watching for a signal on that time frame. But both Twitter and GPRO getting the bull momentum knocked out of their sails. The past 2 days have been very bullish for the market overall. And the fact that GPRO is not correlating to that at all is a bit concerning for the bulls. And Twitter definitely saw that bull strength yesterday, but not really today. X is certainly seeing that bull strength. All-out breakout mode above the upper Bollinger Band the past 2 days. Again, the lack of resistance making it easy for the bulls. After 27, we're looking at 27.38, the high of the earnings reaction. Very solid bull volume and a lot of follow-through. Close above the upper Bollinger Band 2 days in a row. And the weekly time frame, not much resistance. Well, we got that 50-week resistance, which did reject that the bounce, the high of the earnings. That's at 27.25. So 27.38, 27.25, and then the upper Bollinger Band weekly resistance as well. So all of those weekly resistances lining up tell me that if we see some follow-through tomorrow, to be watching for potential weakness and a potential bearish reversal daily candlestick to indicate normal healthy consolidation is coming. But the bulls are a bit extended at this point, and heading into those resistance levels after running for 2 days very significantly already, I would be looking for a bit of weakness as we get up into the mid-$27 range. CHK, bulls trying to bounce, still exponential resistance. Inventory report for natural gas tomorrow might have some effect here, and there is just no sign of the bulls yet. They're trying to build a base of support, 355 and 356. That's a potential bottom fishing level where you put a stop under that if they break and hope for an oversold bounce to get going here. That's a little bit too much of a gamble for me, knowing that the inventory report is going to have a significant impact on whether or not we do see a bounce develop. So personally, I would have to wait for the daily time frame to get exponential moving averages as support in order to see some of the bull momentum shift, some of the bear momentum shift into bull momentum. But as of right now, it's still all bear on CHK. No sign of the bulls. So that's what we've got heading into tomorrow. We'll continue to check back in. See you tomorrow.